today let's start with chapter number 14, our industries. So in this chapter, we will study about industry. So nature has given us many resources which fulfill most of our needs. Many of these resources cannot be used directly. आप इनको directly use नहीं कर सकते, right? Can we use wheat, cotton and tea leaves and logs of wood and iron ore directly? No, we cannot. So this is there because for this what we need raw material. So to be able to use them, we need to convert them into finished good like bread, cloth, tea, furniture and utensils. So raw material which is converted into finished good by industry, what we call them? How we do them? With the help of industry. So first we have cottage industry. Cottage industries are set up by the people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools. ये raw material का use करते हैं जो available होता है. Like we have handloom, extracting oil, grinding flute, handicrafts, making toys, cane furniture and leather products. So small scale industry, they employ करती है few workers and use small machine. People work in small factories. They make utensils, garment, hosiery items, electrical and plastic goods. Then we have large scale industries which employs thousands of workers, produce on big machine. Highly skilled labor is needed. Like we have textile, iron and steel mills, chemical plants, factories, manufacturing. Large scale industry are generally located in area जहाँ पे जो raw material है, labor है, source of power है, वो easily available हो जाए. वहाँ पे हमें किस टाइप की इंडस्ट्रीज मिलती है? लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री. नाउ इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर. किसका? कॉटन टेक्सटाइल का. देयर आर अबाउट 2000 कॉटन टेक्सटाइल मिल जो आपकी मुंबई, अहमदाबाद, कोलकाता, कानपुर, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, कोयम्बटूर जैसे एरियाज में लोकेटेड है. राइट. ब्लैक soil is found in Gujarat, which is good for growing cotton. Then silk and woolen textile. Silk textile mills are located in Bengaluru, Mysore, कांचीपुरम, वाराणसी, भागलपुर. वुलन टेक्सटाइल ये आपके अमृतसर, लुधियाना, पानीपत, कानपुर, मिर्जापुर, जामनगर और श्रीनगर में लोकेटेड है. देन वी हैव जूट मिल्स which is located in and around Kolkata. मेन सेंटर कोलकाता, रिशारा, टीटागढ़, बज, निहाती. और जो सॉइल आपका क्लाइमेट है वेस्ट बंगाल का, वो कल्टीवेशन के लिए, जूट की कल्टीवेशन के लिए अच्छा. आपको कैसा क्लाइमेट चाहिए? ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट चाहिए और सॉइल कैसी चाहिए जो वाटर को होल्ड करके रख सके. नाउ आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट्स. So we can say they are located near a iron ore mining region. Main center Jamshedpur, Vilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Salem और विशाखापट्टनम और बुरनपुर. Then we have sugar mill. India largest producer है sugar का. Right? After Cuba, sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Then railway equipments industries. वो आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलेगी? चितरंजन, वाराणसी, कपूरथला, कोलकाता, पेरम्बूर. ऑटोमोबाइल वो आपके गुड़गांव, पुणे, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, जबलपुर, जमशेदपुर और नासिक जैसे रीजन में आपको देखने को मिलेगी आपकी ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री. राइट. बेंगलुरु which is called Silicon Valley, right, of India. This is because large number of information companies have offices here. Then we have electronic goods industries which is located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Lucknow, Kolkata, Delhi and Panchkula. Now ships are built at the shipyards of Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Maramgaon. Aeroplanes are made in few government-owned factories like Bengaluru, Lucknow, Nasik, Hyderabad. Then we have other important industries like we have cement industry, fertilizer, glass, paper, machine tool, heavy machinery, chemicals and garments. So India is the fastest becoming an industrialized country and the growth of industries is very important for all our progress of the country. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.